guess, Mr. Easy. My mind goes blank. I don't know what to say. I feel shy.
बिल्कुल normal feeling, Alex. Many students feel this. You know English, but in real life, you feel stuck.
Yes, I understand English, but when the waiter comes, panic.
Mr. Easy, tension nahi. Today, we will fix this. After this episode, you will know exactly what to say in a restaurant. Step by step. Very easy. Very simple.
Really? Even for beginners?
Yes. A1 level. Easy hoga. Let's start.
Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities, where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started. Why this topic is important in real life. Restaurants are everywhere. Maybe you travel. Maybe you meet friends. Maybe you go for a job interview lunch. You must know simple English restaurant. Yes, and sometimes the menu is in English. Exactly. And if you don't speak, you feel uncomfortable. But when you know simple sentences, you feel confident. Confidence is everything. So this is real-life English, not book English. Correct. Real conversation, short sentences, clear words. Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities, where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started. Why this topic is important in real life. Restaurants are everywhere. Maybe you travel. Maybe you meet friends. Maybe you go for a job interview lunch. You must know simple English restaurant. Yes, and sometimes the menu is in English. Exactly. And if you don't speak, you feel uncomfortable. But when you know simple sentences, you feel confident. Confidence is everything. So this is real-life English, not book English. Correct. Real conversation, short sentences, clear words. Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities,
where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Okay, Alex, let's do a small role play. I am the waiter. You are the customer.
Okay, I'm ready. Little nervous.
No tension. Let's start. Good evening. How many people?
Table for 2, please.
This way, please. Here is the menu.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like a chicken burger.
Anything to drink?
Yes, I would like a glass of water.
Sure. See? Very simple.
Yes, short sentences, no big grammar.
Exactly. Keep it simple.
Now, Alex, let's talk about common mistakes. Many students make these. Mistake 1. Wrong, I want chicken. Correct, I would like chicken. Why is I want wrong? I want sounds rude. I would like is polite. In restaurants, be polite. Bilkul important. Mistake 2. Wrong, give me water. Correct, can I have some water please? Short but polite. Mistake 3. Wrong, bring bill. Correct, can I have the bill please? Always add please, magic word. So, polite English is very important in restaurants. Yes, politeness equals confidence plus respect. Now, I will show you how to sound better. Just add one small detail. Basic sentence, I would like pasta. Upgrade sentence, I would like pasta please, no cheese. See, one extra detail. Another example. Basic, I would like tea. Upgrade, I would like tea please, no sugar. Oh, so I can add small information. Yes, very good. You can also say, it looks delicious. Can you recommend something? That makes you sound natural. Wow, that sounds more confident. Bilkul. Small upgrade, big impact. Okay, Alex, quick recap time. Remember these 4 things. Say, table for 2, please. Use I would like to order. Always say please. And add one small extra detail to sound better. Base. Easy system.
Now it's your turn. Imagine you're in a restaurant. Write 3 sentences in the comments. Ask for a table. order food, ask for the bill. Very simple.
Yes, guys, don't be shy. Practice is important. Shy learners, listen carefully. Making mistakes is okay. Not speaking is the real mistake. You are learning. You are improving, step by step. If you can order food in English, you can speak English anywhere. Small situations build big confidence. Restaurant English is daily English. Practice at home. Practice with friends. Practice in comments.
I feel more confident now. Before, I was scared. Now I know what to say.
That is progress, and I am proud of you. To everyone listening, your English is growing. Slowly but surely. Keep going. Don't stop. If this episode helped you, subscribe to the channel. More easy English conversations are coming. Next time, we will practice another real-life situation.
Yes, easy English, no stress, step by step.
Exactly. English is not difficult. You just need simple systems. And remember, comment below and practice with us.